Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I've just made a vegan or plant-based chocolate cake. And I wanted to share the recipe with all of you so that you can replicate it at home or modify it to make your own vegan or plant-based cakes. First of all, let's talk about the ingredients, which are the most important part of the recipe. Because to have a good cake, you need to use very good ingredients. Not only is this cake plant-based, but it's also organic. In fact, all the ingredients come from organic agriculture. You may think it cost me a lot to make it, but in fact, you can find, if you keep watching this video, that it is not so expensive to make an organic plant-based cake at home, and the result will be delicious. This cake cost me about €1.80. It roughly weighs 330 grams and has 1,212 kilocalories. It means that if you eat 100 grams of it, you'll be taking in about 367 kilocalories. So it's a rather nutritious cake. But let's talk about the ingredients. Organic flour, 130 grams. Organic sugar, 60 grams. Organic sunflower oil, 2 spoons. Organic dark chocolate, 60 grams. Organic natural instantaneous yeast, 9 grams. Now that you have all the ingredients, you can put them into a bowl. I first put the flour, 130 grams. Then the sugar, 60 grams. Then I put the yeast, 9 grams. And 2 spoons of oil. As you can see, adding together the weight of every single ingredient does 279 grams and not 330 grams, which is the actual weight of the cake. That's because we need the magic ingredient, which is water. Add water very slowly while mixing until it becomes a thick cream. Then put it into a baking pan. Add the chocolate you previously cut into little cubes on top and put it inside a preheated oven until it solidifies. 180 degrees Celsius will be fine. My cake is tiny and took 18 minutes to cook. But it also depends on how big the cake is and the type of oven you are using. So thanks for watching this video. If you want to subscribe, I'll be glad. In the description, you'll find the recipe with all the information about cost and calories. Have a nice day. See you next time.